Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Good morning, YouTube. Today's Monday, day off, rare day off. Saturday, I went up to Cotswolds to pick up this. A chair, a front seat, a front passenger seat, and it's mint. It's absolutely mint. So it wasn't cheap, and there's the base there. Yeah, so it wasn't cheap. I did see one a bit cheaper, but that went quite quickly because it was so cheap. But this is an absolute minter, and what we are doing today is we are swapping out the two seats at the front. This has a spinning mechanism on it as well, so we're going to take this out and replace it with a single seat. And the advantage of that is, well, this one doesn't recline, so every time we go on a long journey, Mel starts moaning because she can't recline it, and that's fair play, isn't it? This is really bolt upright, and it's not very comfortable to sit in for hours and hours, and our journeys do take hours and hours. So yeah, we're going to swap this out, take out the spinning mechanism, which is worth a tidy sum in itself, so I'm going to get a good return on this when I put these seats on eBay. And we're going to bolt in the new single seat, which again will allow us to have access from inside the cab, which is fantastic, so we don't have to leave the vehicle to go in the back. Once that's in place, I will then order the appropriate spinning mechanism so we can swivel it very quickly and efficiently, because this is a bit of a faff, if I'm honest, because you've got to take and bolt it all inside, spin it round very carefully and slowly, and because there's a bit of a lump, you know, you have to do it really sort of edge it here, forward, back, really wriggle it into position. So we're going to replace this. That's the first thing we're going to do today. Everyone has to have a Jolly Roger in the car, don't they, or a van? So yeah, we're going to lose a tiny bit of storage, but that's a small sacrifice, I think. There's the mechanism from inside, so you've to unbolt these four things, wiggle it into position carefully, and it's a bit of a faff. Whereas when the single seat's in there with the spin unit, you just sit on it, quite literally sit and swivel. All the bolts are undone. It's just a simple question of just lifting it out. It's a bit of a two-man job, but there you go. Come on. Something snagged on. There we go. Okay, here we go. So that's your spinning base plate there. And that's bloody stiff. These are all done. Yeah, that one. Just swiveled that round. That's the spinning seat base, and you've got 4 bolts, and they look like the original. They look like they're just going to bolt straight into the seat base. If I'm not, it just looks like a perfect position for the bolts for the new seat, to receive the new seat. Yeah, interesting. So all bolts are now out, so that is going to lift straight out. A heavy old thing. thing. There we go. Wow, it's really heavy. I've decided to cut this flooring a bit. It's insulated, but I've decided to cut it because that one is bolted directly to the floor without this, so I don't want to put something in between it. So that's what we're doing, just cutting it out. Almost there. Base unit in. So we just got to offer up the chair now. Looking good. I'm getting worried because it's quite easy. I mean, it's been quite a simple process so far, which makes me suspicious. Well, it's in. Reclines. I think Mel's going to be very happy. My wallet isn't. But, you know, got to keep the princess happy, haven't we? Okay, now. Just got to attach seatbelt and we're done. Okay, so that is one fitted front seat. And if I pull that forward, still have a little bit of storage. So that's pretty good. Nice. I mean, should it be that easy? Is it that easy? Have I done the job? I mean, that was really simple. And now I have to order a base plate which goes between the box at the bottom and the rails, and that just spins round. Oh, wow, that's so easy. We're reclining all the way back. It's lovely. Like I say, Mel is going to be over the moon. The things we do, eh? Things we do for love. Nice. Now I got that to go. And the base plate. So I should get about 200 quid for the base plate, believe it or not. And the seat, well, they're hard to shift apparently, but should get about 100 quid for that at least. Very quick sale, 100 quid. I've seen them up for 200. But, yeah, if I can just get 100 for that and 200 for that, I'll be well happy. Hello, so it's a few days later. I'll show you what we've done in the van shortly, because I've now fitted the spinning base plate for that single seat. But first, I've got to do this. I don't know, I've got to build something, some little table thing for Mill. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. Building this thing. Shouldn't take too long, pretty simple. And then I'll show you what we've been doing in the van. Really tidied it up as well, so I've got new carpet in there, sort of, you know, rubberized carpet that goes down in the footwells. Really nice. I'm really happy with the overall finish, so have a look. Yeah, so it didn't take long. So there it is there. Bit of lifting colour. So, yeah, that's it. Alright, now let's show you the van. Right, so here we are at the van. So obviously that is the base. So it's still got plenty of storage in there. This, look at this. Look how nice that is. I've cut that to fit. So it just fits there like that, and that all pretty tailored. It was tailored anyway, but I had to just trim it up around here. Could have done that a little bit better if I'm completely honest. Could have made that a little bit closer, fit a bit flusher, but you know, it was all done sort of by eye. So just cutting, trimming by eye. So I think that's come out really well. Under here, there's a screw. Well, there's a hole for a screw. And I have a new bolt that's going to go in there. There's a bolt that needs to go in there. Nothing wrong with it, perfectly fine as it is, but me and my mind, I need to put a bolt in that hole because whenever I see a hole, I want to stick something in it, you know. It's the way it's been since I was about 15. See a hole, stick something in it. Yep. So yeah, there's a hole under there and I need to stick a screw in it. Right, let's show you how this works. So here, just have to get this out of the way, the table. Yeah. Pull that out. It's quite a simple. If I put you there for a minute. I mean, it really is so much more simple than it was before you're wiggling it around, move it into position. This is one click, spin. It is that simple. Easy, eh? Easy, eh? I'm going to spin it back. Spin it back. We're good. Lower it back down. Piece of piss. Right, there's the screw that I'm talking about. It's a 12mm big, heavy, juicy 12mm bolt. And somewhere under there is a hole for it. So that's what I'm going to look for now. Oh God. Come on. Come on. Fiddly as fuck. Only because I'm not stripping it down completely. Anyway, I will do that and sign off. So I hope you liked the video. Hope it's inspired you to do a bit more work on your van yourself, and because you can get some really good results if you do it properly and you don't cut corners. And I'll speak to you in the next one. Incidentally, we are heading off for a very long road trip in a couple of weeks. I'm not going to say too much about it right now, but it's going to be pretty epic. So please like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a family, and speak to you in the next one.